The ocean absorbs 90% of the heat caused by rising temperatures. That's why it deserves the best of our green technology.
The ocean whispers secret tales. Hey-oh, hey-oh. The darkened night, a silent light. Hey-oh, hey-oh. But we are lady to say for the chase. The moonlight then sees a shimmering tent.
We continue to foster green solutions to build a greener future.
In the starry sea of dreamland,
Sustainable solutions for Earth, for life. Hanwha.